What's going on, hikers? In today's video, we're talking about 7 hacks that I use while I'm hiking and backpacking. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jeremiah Stringer, and here we talk about all things backpacking. But we also take you out on the trail because we don't just talk about it, we be about it. In this video, I'll share my 7 hacks, but if you have more, please comment them below so you can help me out and help out the other hikers. These hacks are in no particular order. We are starting off the list with one of these. Now you may recognize this as a bread tie or maybe a tie for something else that you get at the grocery store, but what I like to use them for is a clothespin. They're super lightweight, and instead of draping my clothes over my clothesline while I'm out backpacking, I'll just use this to pin the clothes up. Hack number 2. Check out this picture of how I organize my food. I use 1 gallon Ziploc bag, and it's for just snacks. I use 1 gallon Ziploc bag for my breakfast, I use one for lunch, and I use another one for dinner. And I take with me an extra breakfast, lunch, and dinner just in case I'm on the trail another day and it's unexpected. Third hack, switching from a Nalgene bottle to a smart water bottle. Yes, these are both 1 liter bottles, so they'll hold the same amount of water, but the Nalgene is so much heavier than the smart water bottle. Another thing I love about the smart water bottle is if you have a Sawyer or a Sawyer Mini, the threads are the same as on the smart water bottle. So you could actually just fill this up with dirty water and then screw on the Sawyer and drink straight through it. A little bonus tip for you, this smart water bottle can actually back flush the Sawyer. You fill it up with clean water, you squeeze, back flush through the Sawyer. In the Nalgene's defense, these are great if you want to fill them up with warm water at night and tuck them in your sleeping bag with you. Helps keep you warm a little bit longer. Plus, these things are pretty much indestructible. One thing you may notice about my trekking pole is this gray strip. Now if you can't tell, this is a quick and easy one. It's just duct tape. If you put some duct tape around your trekking pole, you always have it when you need it. Next up, we need to take care of some business. Get it? Take care of business with the toilet paper? You get it. At some point, you're gonna have to take care of business while out on the trail. Now, especially if that is a multi-day hike. What I like to do is just take a normal roll of toilet paper and I take the cardboard roll out. When I do, it's gonna look something like this. Now I can compress this down and it fits a little bit better. Plus, if you're one of those ultralighters, I don't know how much weight this is gonna save you, but every teeny tiny bit counts. While we're on the topic of taking care of business, let me give you that 6th hack. Many of us bring a small trowel like this. This is the Deuce of Spades. Some people say, well, I know that's super light, but I still don't want to carry the extra weight. Although I am going to practice leave no trace principles. So I'll just use a trekking pole to dig my hole. Maybe I'll use a stick, maybe I'll use a rock, whatever's laying around. Well, that's great, but let me help you speed up the process. See, one thing that you can do is look for a partially buried rock. And if you flip that rock over, it's already dug half your cat hole for you. This last hack is for your peace of mind. Let me tell you why you should bring 2 4-ounce containers instead of 1 8-ounce container. I know what you're thinking. Why in the world would I bring 2 4-ounce containers, which weighs more, instead of using 1 8-ounce container? Well, hear me out. If I bring 2 4-ounce containers, what's going to happen is I'll use one up and then I know, hey, I only have 4 left, so I need to buy another container of fuel. But if I bring something like this, 8 ounces, I never know exactly how much is in here. So if I run out while I'm out on trail, I'm just out of luck and I don't have any more fuel left, I'll have to do without. That's it, guys. Those are my 7 hacks while I'm out hiking and backpacking. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more, if you have ideas on hacks while out on trail, comment them below to help me and other hikers and backpackers out there. I'll see you guys next time.